Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. In that exercise 2.5, question number 13, in that A bit, the question is given: if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, so by using this data, I just want to show like this. We know that x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to, that is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. What is the identity now? That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now what I am doing here, what is the RHS part? The RHS part what nana? X plus y plus z of something, yes? So if the given data, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then plus lo 0 రాస్తుంది, 0 of, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, na? In the place of x plus y plus z, what I written? That is 0. We know that 0 into something, that is x cube, or let's just put x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 0 into something is always 0 only. Okay, na? Then I just transposed minus 3xy from LHS to RHS. Then what I get here? That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So hence proved. Okay, na? So when x plus y plus z is equals to 0, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Now question number 14. The question is given without actual calculation, calculating the cubes. Without actual calculating the cubes. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Okay, in that question number 1, that is minus 10 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. Okay, minus 10 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. So this is the given question. We know without actual calculating, అంటే మనం యాక్చువల్గా ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ minus 10 cube means, that meaning is minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Yes or no? Minus 10 raised to the power 3. In the same manner only 7 cube means, that is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 raised to the power 3. 3 cube means, that is 3 into 3 into 3. We do like this actually, yes? without doing like this, without actual calculating, okay na, find the value of each of the following, okay na. So ila cheyakunda దీని ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నా would have a identity. What is the formula? X plus y plus z is equals to 0. X plus y plus z is equals to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. What na? X plus y plus z is equals to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to, that is 3xyz. Just now we show that this one in question number 30. See here, x means minus 10, y means 7, z means 3. Then that is nothing but minus 10 plus 7 plus 3, that is equals to what? 0. Because of it is minus 10, 7 plus 3 means that is plus 10. Minus 10 plus 10, that is 0. So x plus y plus z is equals to 0. We get what now? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So that meaning is minus 10 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 3 whole cube, that is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. That is 3 into x means minus 10, y means 7, z means that is 3. Okay, so that is nothing but 3 times are 30, 37s are 3 7s are 21, 210. Okay na, 210 3s are, that is we get 630. So we can do like this, minus 10 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube, that is equals to what na? Minus 630. So this is the answer without doing actual calculation. Okay na, we used the identity. So in the same manner you to practice the remaining questions in this way. Okay, now question number 15. Question number 15. The question is given, give possible expressions for the expression for the length and breadth of the rectangle. Length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given. Whose area is given by 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Okay, so this is the question. Give possible expression for the length and the breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Okay na, this is the area of a rectangle. So that is a quadratic equation we get here. Yes, then what is the length and breadth value means, then what I am doing here, I just factorize this. I am going to factorize this by splitting the middle term, 4a square into minus 3. Middle term is split chestunna, 4a square into minus 3. 4 into minus 3, that is equals to minus 12 a square. Okay, what are the factors of 12? 12 factors enter. We know that 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12 and reverse 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So the 1 2 3 4 6 12, these are the factors of 12. The condition is you take any two factors, 112 or 26 or 3 4, your wish, but their product should be minus 12, their sum should be plus 4. So that's why what I am doing here, I am going to choose this one, 2 ni 6 ni select cheskuntunna. Then what I am doing here, 4a square means 4a square only. ikkadunna ee 4a plus lo em rastunna, that is plus 6a minus 2a minus 3 is equals to 0. Then what I did, ikkadunna middle lo unna 4a plus lo em cheskuntunna, 6a minus 2a, because of 6 and 2, these two are the factors of 12 only na. So now you just observe 6a minus 2a, that is 4a, ఈ రెండింటిని ఇంటూ చేయండి, 6a into minus 2a, 6 2s are minus 12, a into a, that is a square. Again we get their product is minus 12a square. By adding these two, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి, 6a plus minus 2a, 6a plus minus 2a, that is plus 4a we get. Okay, so that's why I taken like this. From these two terms, ikkada first term second term, the first term second term lo which is common nana, 2 is common and as well as a also common is there. Okay na, ఈ 4 6 లో 2 common ఉంది and a is there, that's why 2a ni common తీస్తే we get here 2a, because of 2 2s are 4, a into a square will come, plus ఇక్కడ 6 2 table లో ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది, 2 3s are already a common అయిపోయింది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ టూ టర్మ్స్ విచ్ ఈస్ కామన్, minus 1 అనేది కామన్ ఉంది ఈ రెండింటిలో. ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ అవుట్ ద కామన్ minus 1, that is 2a plus 3. So see now, minus 1 into 2a minus 2a minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3, that is equals to what, 0. Now 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 in bracket we get like this. 1 you consider as a factor, 2a plus 3, and 2a minus 1 is another. So one should you consider as length, this is length and this is breadth of a rectangle. Okay na? So then how to find the length and the breadth? See now, we get length is equals to, that is 2a plus 3. Then what I am taking, if a is equals to 1, then what happened, length is equals to 2 of 1 plus 3. Yes, that is equals to 2 1s are 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 5. A is equals to 1 means length is equals to 5, and we get here breadth is equals to what, nana, 2a minus 1. Then a is equals to 1 means breadth is equals to 2 of a means 1 minus 1, breadth is equals to 2 1s are 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 1. So if you take length is equals to 2a plus 3 and b is equals to breadth is equals to 2a minus 1, so a value 1 substitute cheste length is equals to 5 and b value we get, that is 1. Okay na? Next again, if I change it, a is equals to 2, then what we get, length is equals to 2 of, in the place of a, 2 plus 3. Then length is equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 3, that is equals to 7. And here in the place of a, I am going to substitute 2 this time, 2 of 2 minus 1. Then breadth is equals to 2 2s are 4 minus 1, then breadth is equals to, that is 3. So length value is 7, breadth value is 3. Like this we will get the different values of length and breadth. Okay, so in the same manner you to practice the remaining problems. Okay students, thank you.